Smart rapper gang.
Yeah, I'm sweating, bro. It's hot in this jacket, bro. I do it for you. What up, Smart Rapper Gang? Today, another smart producer video. Today, we're talking about 3 ways beat makers can grow their beat business. Very easy, very quick video, but these are some tips that you may know, you may not know, but you need to know them. All right, I'm Rob Level, this is Smart Rapper. Go ahead and hit me with a follow on Instagram. I'll put a link below for you. Almost at 300,000 followers. Yes! Thanks to everybody. Shoot me a DM. I generally tend to respond as long as you're not asking me for a shout out, okay? You better get smarter right after the intro.
I do this full time, bitch. I do this full time. Every day, day. Stay up on my grind, bitch. All day, day. Stay up on my grind. I do this full time, bitch.
Number 1, offer undeniable coupon deals. I'm not talking about buy one, get one free. I'm not talking about buy one, get 2 free. I'm talking about buy one, get 3 or 4 free. It's such a fucking undeniable deal, okay, that people are, look, this, I'll tell you honest truth, right? And you can do this for 50 bucks. You buy one, you get 4 free. That's $10 a beat. I know you're like underpricing your beats, whatever, blah, blah, blah. But if you're trying to make money, this is how you're gonna make money, and this is how you're gonna grow your email list. This is how you're gonna get customers and repeat customers. The deal doesn't have to last. You can make it a time deal, which will make people wanna buy the beats faster anyways. Say this month only, this week only, okay? And blast that to your email list or show other people that or use that on Facebook ads, okay? And get people in there and grow your base of people. Here's the thing, when I see somebody say buy one, get 2 beats free or 3 beats free, even if I don't have any songs to these people's beats, I try to make songs to the other beats that I'm like, okay, which other beats do I want to get for free here? It also increases the chances that people are going to make more songs to your beats, which means it increases the chances of you getting spread and people hearing your beats out there. Do you see what I'm saying here? It's a really good idea. And you may have been thinking, oh, I already do the coupons, but if you thought about doing an undeniable coupon deal, where it's like they feel like, shit, I gotta do this, because it works. I'm telling you, it works. Number 2, if you don't have an email list yet, you need to get one. I'm telling you right now, an email list is essential, okay? Especially if you can build a strong following and making people always want to open your emails, you need an email list. If you can build an email list of 10,000 people, and every time you release a beat, you email blast it, and you sell 5 beats for 20 bucks, you make $100 every time you make a beat, right? So if you make 5 beats a day, that's $500 a day. Just for example, this is the thing, an email list is essential. It's essential, and you can also build relationships with people by providing them with not just beats, but like industry information for rappers or whoever is on your list, probably going to be rappers, information that helps them learn and grow, right? You tell them like, oh, this is how you can get your song licensed in a movie, or you can do this, and always provide them with the type of information that they get from you and build that loyalty and that trust up. So when next time you release a beat, they want to buy the beat from you. But you have to not just have an email list, but utilize the email list the right way. Number 3, collaborate with as many beat makers as you can. It is very simple, very easy for you to just email all these beat makers that you think are great, and you say, hey, I'd love to make a beat with you, and all they have to do is they make a part of the beat, they'll handle certain elements, and then you handle the rest of the elements of the beat, and then you guys collaborate, you put it on your page, he puts it on his page or her page, and every time it sells, you guys split the money, whatever percentage you decide to split on it. But every time somebody goes to their page, they see your producer name. Every time they go to your page, they see their producer name, and it works. And if you're doing this with a lot of different producers who are willing to do this, number 1, you're making more money, number 2, you're getting more exposure, and this is a great way to get seen. And also, if they email blast you to their email list, you get seen there and beats sell, and vice versa. If you have an email list and you blast that new collaborative beats, you both make money together. It is a win-win, okay? Teamwork makes the fucking dream fucking super fucking work.
Teamwork make the dream work.
Okay, so be doing that, all right? I'm Rob Level, this is Smart Rapper. You just became a smarter producer. Hope this helps you, all right? I will see you guys again tomorrow with another video. Please hit that subscribe button. I would truly appreciate it. And please subscribe to my other channel. I got 105,000 subscribers on there, and I have a show that's showing my upcoming and building of my empire. I release a new single every month, how I'm promoting it, the behind the scenes of growing everything. I also have a social media marketing agency with a lot of big clients, and they come through and, you know, stay at the house. It's just a lot of stuff that you guys don't see that I'm really sure you can learn from. Plus, it's super entertaining. All right, shit goes down. I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. Keep hustling.
Smart Rapper gang.